Hello friends, this video on matter and magnetism part 6 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Please make sure that you have watched all the videos till part 5 before going ahead with part 6. Now we will talk about Lorentz force. Now again you got a new name. What is Lorentz force? Well, Lorentz force, it is obviously named after the scientist Lorentz. This force is the net force which will act on a charged particle when it is near a current carrying wire. That means till now I talked only about the magnetic force. But even if the charges are moving, the charge will have an electric field of its own, right? A charge which is at rest will have an electric field. A charge which is in motion will also have an electric field. Similarly, a charge which is at rest will not have any magnetic field, but the charge in motion only will have a magnetic field. That means when the charges are in motion, there will be an electric field as well as magnetic field. So the net force which will be acting on a charged particle when it enters the periphery will be the force due to electric field plus the force due to magnetic field. So that net force which acts on a particle is known as the Lorentz force. So Lorentz force is the force experienced by a charged particle due to electric and magnetic fields, due to both of these fields. So what is this total field? I'm sorry, it is not M. So the total force will be equal to Q into E plus V cross B. So how do I get this? We know that the force experienced by a particle due to electric field is equal to Q into E. Similarly, we know that the force experienced by a particle due to magnetic field is Q into V cross B. So therefore, the total force, that is the Lorentz force, will be equal to the force due to electric field plus the force due to magnetic field, right? So this force F is known as the Lorentz force. Thank you. Please visit examfear.com to watch free educational videos, try free online tests, get the best quality study materials, study from the best tutors and mentors, and much more. Thank you once again.